Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing Ahsoka Tano. The first step we're going to take is to draw a curve. Now we're going to draw the same kind of curve, but on the right. Just like that. Now, make sure that curve ends by putting a line connecting two together. And then we're going to draw a line in, another line in, draw a line up, and then find where the middle is and go down, just like that. Next, we're going to make a circle on the top, followed by another circle, and then one more at the top. Perfect. Next, we're going to make a little mark that goes out and up all the way. There you go. Make it curved at the end. Now on the left, you're doing something very similar. You're going to go up and over. That's the top of her head. Next, we're going to go down, 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 and stop. Same thing on the other side. Down, 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 and stop. Make sure it's kind of even. There you go. Now make a line out and over, all the way down. Same thing on the other side. Go out and over and all the way down. Next, we're going to bring a line up and in and make sure it touches the side of her head. Same thing on the other side. Go up and in and make it touch. Perfect. Next, we're going to make a line and go up and down, kind of like a little triangle. We're going to draw 3 more, up and down. Actually, just 1 more. Up and down. Now on the other side, let's do the same thing. Go up and down. And go up and down. Little triangle. And 1 more to finish it off. Up and down. Looks good. Now let's start with the face. We're going to make an eye. Kind of like an oval. Other side's an eye. Another oval. Let's make some eyelashes on her. Just 2 little lines. Another eyelash. There we go. Inside we can draw a circle and then fill in the sides. Looks good. Now the other side, draw the little circle and then fill it in. Perfect. Now let's draw some of her little facial features. We're going to go down, another line down, bring that line in, another line in, down, same thing on the other side, down, like a little crisscross. And then we're going to bring it down just a little bit. Same thing over there. This time we're going to go up, 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 and around her eye. Do the same thing on the left. Up, 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 and around her eye. Make a little line down, little line down, in, kind of following that same little curve. like almost like a Z or a zigzag. And you go up and over and touch. Now let's try to do the same thing on the other side. Go down, make the zigzags, and you go up, 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 and down so it touches. Looks good. Let's work on the face just a little bit more. Make a like little curved lines and down, up, and close it off. Other side's the same thing. Curved line, up, down, up, and in. I'm liking it so far. Let's draw a little face. She's kind of mad in this one. You can make it happy though. Let's work on some of her, is it her hair? Her head? I don't know. Make those little lines. Same thing on the other side. Go down, up, and you go down with a little curve at the end. Make a line up and down. Go up again. Finish it off at the end. Same thing. Kind of a little pattern here. If I do one thing on the one side, the other side is the same thing. There we go. Let's draw some more little stripes. This one's going to go all the way and touch that triangle and back in. Do the same thing, go up. There we go. And make it go back in. Looking good. A few more stripes. Little line up. And over. Let's bring a little curved wave over. There's no really right or wrong way to do it. Just kind of making stripes. But I do like following the same pattern. As long as one side looks the same, then the other side can too. I'm liking it. Finish it off with a little curve at the end. Same thing at the bottom. Little wave. Yes. I'm gonna make one more diamond on the head and on the other side. Now it's time to color it in. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.